I ask everyone here to witness that I, Euan Alexander Morrison, take you, Chelsea Kate Old, to be my wedded wife. We'll move on. Right.
Fell on dark days, scared to lose.
Chelsea, my love, my angel, my lighthouse, my heart is overflowing with emotion as I stand here before you today.
4.5 years ago, you took me on a date. Little did I know, as I strolled on down to the exquisite shady palms, that I was walking into the rest of my life. It was from this day on that I knew I'd met a man who could truly be my best friend and my partner in life. A man strong enough to support me, kind enough to care for me, and just smart enough to challenge me.
Oh Lord, you're closer than a brother, a friend that I could fall
on. Since that day, we've laughed, we've cried, you've napped, and I've watched the same 5 movies on repeat. If I had been able to plan my life, I could never have imagined something as timeless and complete as the love and life that we share.
Couldn't be happier to be standing here today to celebrate the amazing person Chelsea is. Thank you for letting Ari and I be a part of your special union and the amazing life she and Euan have created together.
than to die for his friend.
You've found a humble, likeable guy who's romantic and super devoted to you. I mean, who follows someone around an entire Ironman and makes a spreadsheet and prints your entire program and puts it in a binder and knows where you'll be the entire way through? He practically did an Ironman. He should get a tattoo. I love you, babe, but I wouldn't do that for you.
Oh Lord, you're closer than a brother, a friend that I could fall on.
I just knew that day, I just knew you and you're a keeper. And yes, I was very impressed with you.
You're closer than a brother, a friend that I could fall on.
Chelsea, I'm forever grateful for the moments that we have created together, the moments that we will create in our future together. In the last 5 years, your love, patience, and devoted support have given me the courage to be the best version of myself. Knowing my days begin and end next to you makes me truly the luckiest man on earth. You're the most precious thing in life to me, and I vow to love you until the end of time.
Today, I vow to always love you, support you, and stand by you through the up and down roller coaster of life. I promise to encourage your passions because they make you who you are, and who you are for me is gold. I promise you my love, and that you'll be my love forever.
Chelsea and you met and fell in love by chance, but you're here today because you're choosing each other. This ceremony is a celebration of your love, so let the celebrations begin. And I have much pleasure in declaring you to be husband and wife. Chelsea and you may kiss.
Yeah. Come on.
I introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Morrison. Please celebrate the happy couple.
Just watch how I do it. How I do it. Just watch how I do it. How I do it. Just watch how I do it. Yeah. How I do it. How I do it. Just watch how I do it. Check it out. How I do it. Come on.
So Euan, I don't know why, but regularly and over many years I keep calling him Liam. I know you love my daughter, I know you've always looked after her and you always will, and I'm extremely happy and grateful to invite you into our family. Always treat each other fairly and with respect. Life won't always be easy, but if you stick to things as a team, which you guys are particularly good at, you'll get through it.
Just watch how I do it. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. I got to show you. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. Just watch me. Watch me how I do it.
I am aware that I am punching severely above my weight class. I feel so blessed and privileged that you agreed to marry me. To be fair, you were in a hot air balloon at the time. You didn't really have an option. So
I got something I got to show you how. I got to show you what I'm all about. I got something for you. Just watch how I do it. Let me show you what I do. What I do.
Chelsea, thank you so much for making my brother happy. I know you've already helped him more than I will ever say in this session today, but yeah, I just can't thank you enough. He's my little brother and he means the world to me, so look after him and I know you will.
Watch me how I do it. Watch me how I do it.
You communicate well so you can face any challenge together. You trust each other. You'll always have the family's best interests at heart in difficult decisions. You care for each other because you choose to. Here's to a relationship that each strength enhances the other. A relationship built to last. A relationship worth watching and learning from. I'm so grateful I will get to see you make your family even bigger and so much more amazing.
Just watch how I do it. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. I got to show you. Let me show you what I do. What I do. Just watch how I do it. Yeah, this is how I do it. How I do it. Just watch me. Watch me how I do it. Just watch how I do it.